install a 5VM front splitter on a C8 Corvette from Extreme Online Store. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Scott, and today I'm going to be showing you how I just put this 5VM splitter on this C8. Now, I just wanted to be able to do it ahead of time and show you how pretty it is before we get involved in how we install it. So I just wanted you to take a look at this. I mean, it just adds so much dimension to the C8 car, it's not even funny. It also gives it, without lowering the car, it gives it more of a lower stance, even though it's coming right off the bottom of the bumper, so you're not losing any clearance. So that's really, really cool. So anyway, this one happens to be a two-piece design. You can see right here, there's two pieces, one going this way, going that way. They also make it in a one-piece splitter, and they also make it in a three-piece splitter. So obviously, the look is the same, but the more the pieces, the less the cost is. So that kind of gives you a rundown on how that works. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna run into the video right now, and we'll show you how it's done. All right, guys, before we get started, I want to just cover something here. This is a two-piece splitter. Whether this is a three or a one-piece, it doesn't really matter. The install is exactly the same. We're just it being a two-piece, we're going to end up bolting it together right here, and that is those screws here are Phillips with an 8mm nut on them, and we're just going to go ahead and we're going to just start taking off the screws here, the 15 Torx that goes all the way around here on the bottom. Now the only other thing that I did is trying to not bore you with the putting the tape on. I just it comes with the two-side stick tape. I put it on and cut it to fit, and then when we're ready, we'll go ahead and pull it and we'll screw it on. Okay, so very, very simple that way. But we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna pull these screws. Like that. We're going to start it, but we're not going to snug it up. We're just going to get it started, and that way we can add some more into it to make sure that everything lines up. So we'll try to go ahead and come over here to this edge, put one in over here, just like that. Alright, so we got that one snugged up. So now we can go ahead and we can start putting them in here. Alright. So this is going together pretty well. You can see it definitely is already looking better with just the one side on it already. There's that. Right there. Okay, so now we're going to move over to the other one. You can see here, we just got the sticky tape on it also. We're just going to start that little guy. There we go. One more piece here that I had to add on. There we go. Alright, we're good there. Alright, so now we're going to go, I'm going to start over on this side. Let's get this one started. And then I'm going to bring this one over here and start this one also. All right, so again, we're just going to leave this loose for now. Okay, so we want to make sure that we're going to be able to pull this together. So we just want that to start. And like I said, it comes with the screws here and the washers. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this on here like this. Okay, and then we'll put a washer on it. And I'm going to use a little bit of Loctite. These are not locking screws, so we're going to go ahead and use a little bit of Loctite on this. If I can find some. There we go. Okay. I'll do the same thing on this one. Alright. Put a washer on there like so. And our nut. Okay. We're getting close, guys. This is a pretty fast installation, so that's kind of nice. Alright, so I'm going to close up my Loctite cap here so I can have some for later. Alright, so at this point, let's go ahead and tighten these down. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you get this lip adjusted just right, so it's fitting together the way you want it. And we'll go ahead and we'll do this one. Okay. And we'll be able to get that. That's pretty close right there. So we'll go ahead and tighten these screws up now, and then we'll be able to adjust that right perfectly here in just a minute. All right, so let's get these done. Alright, and that comes out just perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and snug these up. And we will be done. Okay. And there you have it. So guys, hopefully you found this video helpful and informative, and that it showed you exactly how easy it is to install a front splitter on a C8. It doesn't take a lot, and like I said, if you end up getting a one-piece, then you don't even have the seam in the front. And if you do a three-piece, then you'll have one like right here, and then one on the other side, so you'll have three pieces. But really, it's very simple to install, as you saw in the video. And that is about it today, guys. This was a very simple install, and I can see just about every Corvette owner putting one of these on their car. So anyway, guys, you guys have a great day, and thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you later.